Okay, you guys. Now, I've had some questions about how do I go on the chain link fence or whippersnip along chain link fence. Okay, first thing you got to do is have the right string. Now, this Sten's silver is awesome. I'll leave a link in the description for you guys. But make sure when you do chain link fence to have this stuff moist. Okay, like I said in the previous video, you got to soak this stuff in water. Every couple of days, take your spool out and throw it in the water, and it'll always be nice and moist. That is key. If you use steel stuff, it breaks off. I've had the gray stuff. I don't know what the hell they're called. It breaks off, and you end up with it in your face, and it just peels off real quick on the string. Okay. Another thing you do, make sure you don't have the string all the way out, which gives the chain link fence the opportunity to catch your string and break it off. Okay, know where the end of your string is. Okay, that's key about whippersnipping. Okay, so we're going to give this a shot. Now your head turns this way. Okay, so that's the way you want to go with the fence. Okay, if you go against the fence, it'll just grab your string and pull you in. It'll just pull you in. And I'm not kidding you. I'm going to show you both ways, and let's get her done. Okay, I'm going to go the opposite way, and then you'll see what I'm doing, okay? Now this whippersnipper, the 131R, has a lot of power. So you guys with homeowners, whippersnippers, they're less power. They're going to grab and they're going to pull in like crazy, okay? So obviously you know that if you're doing whippersnipping already. Holy cow, the mosquitoes are bad out here. Okay, so let's go the other way, and I'll show you. Now the string has broke off a bit, and we're going to do it the other way. And you don't want to give it full power, right? Full power, just let it do its thing. Okay? Now that's how I do chain link fence without, now you see how much spring I got left? I didn't even hit it to make it come out. So just know where the end of your string is, and you know, don't go overpower it. Just kind of hit your trigger every once in a while and let the grass, you know, get cut off, and you do a good job, or a good enough job. You know, that's all you can do, right? Go from there. Take care.